Holy heck! What happened to October? Let's take a look at what happened in the HubSpot dev world and what's around the corner. We got docs updates, a new bot in Slack to tell you all the things, devs after dark keep churning out the episodes, and call for feedback. Hope you all have been nice because before you know it, Santa's coming to town. Maybe Santa's coming a little early, actually, because we're teaming up with the folks over at Vercel to do a webinar about building out your app's back end. Our developer advocates Brooke Bond and Hannah Seligson partner with Jacob Paris from Vercel to help you understand how you can BYOB. Beverages are optional, and unless you've been living under a rock, you probably noticed we have a new website for the developers. Not only does it have a pretty face, we optimize it to work better for you and those AI tools that seem to be creeping into your IDE. Connect the developer MCP server to your editor of choice and breathe in that sweet, sweet AI love. Watch as it references the docs to make sure what it builds uses the most up-to-date features. Go ahead, smile. You deserve it. And by the way, my co-stars over at Developers After Dark did an episode that chatted with some of the folks who worked on building the new experience. Definitely worth giving that a listen, as well as the just released episode on the making of the Elevate theme. If you head over to the HubSpot developer Slack, you're going to find a new little friend waiting to help you. We're calling it HS Dev Bot because, well, it's a bot for HubSpot devs. You get it. You can find it in the HS Get Started channel. Have a question about HubSpot Dev? Ask away. Want to do it in a DM? No judgment here. Start up a combo with it and ask all those important questions. This little fella's in beta, so be kind to it, and of course, give us all the feedback. Speaking of feedback and influencing how we build at HubSpot, our 2026 roadmap survey is open. From the APIs we prioritize to the tooling we improve, what you say is going to help us build what's best for you. Go grab that link for the developer experience survey down below. Now let's talk about some updates to the product, starting with the CLI. We're reorganizing CLI commands to be a little cleaner. All the CMS commands will be grouped logically underneath the HS CMS namespace. So instead of typing HS upload, you will now type HS CMS upload. There's also a beta command for all of that MCP stuff, and the logging output has been revamped to be more consistent and readable. Fire up the latest by running the npm install command. And the Contactless API v1 sunset has been extended to April 30th, 2026. This gives you a little more breathing room, but don't delay. We've added migration guides and endpoints to help you with the transition. Find the links to the docs down below, and seriously, get on this. You could be that person sipping your drink of choice on the beach while others race to make the move. And finally, a great little change for serverless functions. In October, errors from your function code began returning the appropriate 4xx status codes instead of a generic 500. Less head scratching, more debugging. And that's everything you need to know to build smarter this month. All the links for the survey, the developer docs, and the full changelog are right down below. Don't forget, please subscribe to Developer Blog and YouTube channel so you can say that you are one of the cool kids. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.